Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher door spring. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door spring. The door spring helps the dishwasher door open and close. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the door is not opening and closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out. First thing we're going to do is go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line in the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off, and then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down, and then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Once you have the lines disconnected, we're going to open up the dishwasher door and use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the dishwasher door and use it to carefully pull the dishwasher out from the cabinets. Once you have it started, we can grab the frame and pull it out. I'm not going to pull it out all the way, maybe half the way or so. Once you have the dishwasher pulled out, we can close the door. Now that we have the dishwasher pulled out, we're going to lift the insulation out of the way, and you can tuck it out of the way so it's not in the way while we're changing the part. Once you have the insulation out of the way, we have access to the spring. There's one of these on each side. They're both changed out the same way. There's a little slot right here that the top of the spring goes into. You want to make sure you remember which one yours was in. Once you got it, all you have to do is lift the spring off the bracket. Then we can reach down on the other end and disconnect the door cable. Once you have the door cable disconnected, we can pull the door spring off the dishwasher. Here's the old door spring next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door spring in, we're going to grab the door cable and hook it on. Then we're going to hook the top of the spring onto the bracket. Once you have it in place, we can put the insulation back in place, and then we can push the dishwasher back into the cabinets. Once you have the dishwasher back in place, we can go underneath the cabinet and reconnect the lines. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16" nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8" wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines reconnected, we can open up the dishwasher door and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Now that we have the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.